Guys, in this video we are going to talk about current flow in an op amplifier. Usually when we deal with ideal op amplifiers, we assume that current flow through this positive negative terminal, or we can say non-inverting inverting terminal, is zero, and also we assume there's no current flowing through this positive or negative voltage supply. But in the real op amplifier, there's always current flowing through this positive negative terminal, and also current flowing from this positive negative voltage supplies. And also we have an output current. Now the output current is going to be addition of all of this current, because you can see the current is entering this non-inverting terminal, and also current is entering this inverting terminal, and also we have currents entering from this positive negative voltage supplies. So there is four currents are entering, and we have I output. So I output is going to be equivalent to addition of all of these. So that's going to be equivalent to I2 plus I3 plus I4 plus I7. So this is the case about real op amplifiers. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.